What's going on, you chavs? What's going on, you chavs?
What's going on, you little chavs? Today, we're going to be reviewing the greatest machines in the world. The Phantom Clippers and the Demon Trimmers. Let's go.
All right, guys, so I guess I can take this off now and get to the unboxing. All right, so guys, the Pissed Off Barber is a good friend of mine. We had a little fun making this video. He hit me up and said he had these new clippers and trimmers coming out, and of course, guys, you know I wanted to check them out. So today we have the Phantom Clipper and the Demon Trimmer. Now, guys, don't quote me on this, but I'm not 100% sure, but he asked a long time ago what he should name his new clipper and trimmer bundle. I'm pretty sure that I recommended the Demon, so I don't know, I'm gonna have to check that out. But guys, this is the Demon Trimmer. We're gonna open up the Phantom Clipper. You can see I got my station cleaned off and ready to go, and we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys. As usual, guys, we'll go ahead and cut some hair after and see how these things perform, and we'll catch up in the end and see what they're looking like. All right, guys, so here it is. You can see TPOB Phantom. We have the all black in the middle on the charging dock, a nice neon blue and a neon pink. Go ahead and see what else is on the box. TPOB, guys, that is the Pissed Off Barber on Instagram if you guys do not follow him. So go ahead and flip this thing over. All right, so kind of cool. We have 9 examples here on what you can do with the different body kits to make all the interchangeable options. Go ahead and read the back, guys. It says interchangeable click lever with 3 different color choices and 5 length settings. So it does have the clicks, guys, 5 different notches. Superpower long life motor, which runs at 10,000 strokes per minute while offering 2.5 hours of continuous runtime. Exo combination black diamond carbon blade, stays cooler and rust free, mixing the taper and fade technologies into one blade. Includes 5 magnetic guards, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ergonomically designed to have a balanced weight and comfortable use while still offering low noise level and superior performance. Mini screwdriver included for custom body modifications and blade adjustments. All right, guys, so you can see everything on the back. We got the levers, the guards, the blade, and all the options. We'll go ahead and open this thing up and see what it's all about. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off with the Phantom Clipper. It is all black. You guys see we have a neon pink and a blue. Right here we have the charging dock. We'll go ahead and get the clipper out, guys, and give it a look. Well, broke the plastic, but that's not what we're here for anyway. Here you go, guys. Here is the Phantom Clipper. You guys can see Phantom right here. We have a clear lid. I don't know if you guys can see the matte black. It does say TPOB on the top. Go ahead and pop the blade cover off, and you guys see this is the XO blade is what he calls it. Obviously, if you guys follow me, you know I like the Fusion blade or the Vapor blade now, and this is the same thing. So go ahead and set the clipper to the side. You guys see we have a charging dock in here, 2 extra lids. Go ahead and pop out the top. All right, guys, as usual, a charging dock, and you guys can see it is the UK plug. So he did throw in an adapter for me to put onto the plug, and this will plug into the US socket. Outside of that, guys, we have the screwdriver, little red screwdriver, and some single magnetic guards. Looks like 1 through 4. We got a couple extra levers and screws for the lever and for the lid, more than likely. And then here's an extra cam follower, guys. You know that is the part that moves back and forth with the blade, and that is what gets loud a lot of the times. We got some clipper oil and a brush, of course, guys. You know that always comes in these kits. Instruction manual at the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and bypass that. We'll go ahead and get this box out of the way. We'll get the Demon out, and then we can check them out a little bit more up close and personal. All right, guys, so next up we have the Demon. And like I said, I think I had a little bit of a hand in naming this thing. I'm pretty sure that was one of my ideas that I sent. I'm gonna need to grab my phone and check that out and check for sure. But anyways, you guys can see pink box, same thing. We got the all black on the front of the Demon Trimmer on the dock, and then we have a blue and a pink version shown on the side. And common question, guys, I hear this all the time, but it does not come with 3. These are the 3 options that it comes with. So same thing, Demon on both sides, TPOB on the front and back. Go ahead and flip this thing over and check it out as well. So you guys can see all the combinations, even a little bit more here with the skeleton top. You guys can do almost 3 colors on each one here. So that's kind of cool. Superpowered long life magnetic motor runs at 10,000 strokes a minute, so same as the clipper. Black diamond carbon T wide blade stays cooler and rust free longer. Removable top section for a skeleton design. That's what I was just talking about, guys. This top layer right here. Lithium ion battery with 2.5 hours of continuous runtime. 1 hour rapid recharge. Mini screwdriver included for custom body modifications. We saw that. Interchangeable body kits allow the creation of multiple different colorways. Of course, guys, like I said over here, you got a bunch of examples, but you guys already know what I'm gonna be rocking. Includes charging stand, cord, mini USB, 3 guards, and a cleaning and maintenance kit. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. I think we pretty much know what's in here. Boom, follow the Pissed Off Barber on Instagram for a free haircut. So you guys can see we got the dock, we got the 2 extra colors. We'll go ahead and get the trimmer out. Man, guys, this plastic was a pain, so we went ahead and took it out. But guys, here is the trimmer. You guys can see, similar to the other one, we got Demon on the front, TPOB, all black. Go ahead and pop this off, guys. We got the black blade. This is the DLC blade, apparently, the DLC carbon. And that's the trimmer, guys. Go ahead and set it to the side, see what else is in here. We already read it, so again, charger. Got some guards, like for the mustache. There's our screwdriver. We do have a micro USB cord. The big cord will go to the charging dock, guys. And then here are our different lids to go on top of the trimmer. All right, guys, so here they are, the Phantom and the Demon. You guys can see all black. You already know that's how I'm gonna rock it. Let's go ahead and get these covers off of here. But there you go, guys. TPOB, the Pissed Off Barber, the Phantom, and the Demon. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get these things charging. Fortunately for me, they do fit the Gamma Power clips. So we're gonna get them charged up, guys. We're gonna do a haircut with them, and I will let you guys know what I think about them at the end of the video. All right, so I want you guys to hear these things before we get into the haircut. All right, guys, so time for my final thoughts on these clippers and trimmers from the Pissed Off Barber, guys, the Phantom and the Demon. I always mess the names up. But guys, we're gonna go ahead and address something. I know you guys are all thinking that these are very similar to the Ergo and the Evo from Gamma. You guys saw me do a monster review. Those were the same as well. You guys know I just put the Rogue up for a giveaway. Those are the same as well. Those are from Gamma, obviously, but Gamma put these out a long time ago, and there have been a couple replicas or duplicates or whatever you wanna call it. I'm not gonna get on that subject, guys. You guys know I'm homies with Gamma. You guys know I'm also homies with the Pissed Off Barber. So I just wanna bring you guys clipper reviews, bring you guys some new stuff that's out. If you guys wanna check these out, guys, thepissedoffbarber.com. They have their different colorways. If you guys like the neon pink and blue or the murdered out matte black, then this one might be for you versus going with the Ergo and Evo. And if you guys like those better, then go ahead and cop those, guys. You know, to each his own. We can all use whatever tools we want. And that's the beauty of what we do. So if you guys wanna check these out, head over to thepissedoffbarber.com. Use code Seancutshair and you guys can save. I don't even know how much percentage you guys can save. I think he's gonna hook you guys up. If you wanna check them out, head over there, use the code, get these clippers. But guys, performance-wise, I have no issue with how these things operate. They cut super well. The trimmers, guys, honestly, you guys know the reviews on all the gamer trimmers and all the ones I've ever had. They're just about average. They're not anything crazy, but they do get the job done. And then the clipper, guys, you know, with the Fusion blade, this is absolutely something that I mess with. So no complaints here. The murdered out all black look, you guys know I rock with. So I think these are definitely a dope pickup if you guys are looking for a little bit more affordable version and you guys like these colorways. All right, guys, but that's enough. That is it for the video. I appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoyed it, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up. You guys know how much it helps the channel. Make sure you guys subscribe. I got a couple unboxings that I'm doing today. Some more tutorials coming soon. Guys, you know I'm always getting some exciting stuff in. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching. I'll catch you next time.